What's up, guys? Quick little trade breakdown on gold that I took yesterday, Monday. You can see I made $232. Time range right here. That was on the 17th. That was yesterday. And basically it was trading gold. We're going to break that down right now. And this is it. I've made some videos before on my trade breakdowns. The trade around New York Stock Exchange open. Okay, so this was the trade right here. It was a short sell. Okay, so quick breakdown. If you zoom out just the past few days, just look at this trend. Market is trending down. Okay, market is trending down. We don't want to trade against the market. Market's trending down powerfully for the last few days. It doesn't really make sense to look for a buy. Okay, unless it's the other way around. It doesn't make sense to look for buy. So we're strategically looking for sells because that just puts the odds in our favor, just going with the trend. Okay, and then basically if we zoom in, there's other little trends, right? This is the day that we traded. There's other trend channels that are breaking to the downside. Okay, within that big trend right here. Look, see, trending down and then break structure right here to the downside. Okay. And then we have our kill zone right here in the gray shaded area where we actually look for trades. And then within this zone, there's also price structure breaking down to the downside. Okay, here's another trend. Temporary trend to the upside, and then a break structure to the downside. Okay, this is where we took our trend. We basically saw price break out of this trend, push back into that zone. Preferably we want to price to get back into a gap. There wasn't exactly a gap, but we were just so confident in the overall direction of the market that a gap didn't present itself right here where we got in, but we just started looking at the candles and price action, and everything was just showing signs to the downside. Okay, so that's very powerful stuff. Just market structure alone will keep you. Market structure alone will keep you as at least a break-even trader. Even if you have no strategy, just understanding market structure and trading with the trend will keep you at least at break-even and potentially slightly into profit. That all depends on your psychology. Okay, so we saw price break down, then it pushed back up. Once you're in your kill zone, you need to pay attention to the candles. The candles are the language of the market, right? So, right, price broke structure down here to the downside, and then it pushed back up. This big blue/green candle pushed up. Then we had another fake breakout to the upside. But look at these previous candles right here. Let me take this off. Look at these previous candles right here. Like they're wicking into this back into the trend, the original trend. Okay, they're wicking back into the original trend, and they're rejecting price. They're rejecting this entire area. Okay, so that's just indicating that price is basically exhausted and it's tired of moving to the upside temporarily, and it's going to continue its downtrend that we see from the overall market. Okay, that we see from the overall market. Okay, right? Price isn't going this way, right? Price isn't going that way. Okay, price is going down, so it just makes sense to look for sells. Okay, that's basic market structure. What direction is the price moving in the past day, in the past 2 days, in the past 3 days? Okay, in the past couple weeks. Okay, so that's why we just had that confidence to just take that trade. There wasn't exactly a gap here. We'd like to see price push back into price to break structure like it did right here, create a gap somewhere around here. It didn't. What's a gap? Real quick, this is a gap right here in the market. You can go look at my other videos where I've done trade breakdowns and I explain the gap a little bit more fluently, but this is the gap right here. Hold on. This is the gap right here in the market. This is a gap in the market. Okay, so basically look at the bottom of this candle and the top of this candle. That's a gap, and actually you can see that price did flick into this gap. It flicked into that gap and it rejected, and then we looked for more confirmation of price break and structure, right? When we saw price break under this little trend channel, break structure down from this small trend that was going to the upside. Okay, So there actually was a little bit of a gap. Okay, and then we saw that break a candle. We knew price was exhausted. Right in this little orange circle, price is wicking, right? Wicking. It's getting exhausted. It's not getting. There's not enough buyers in the market to push this thing back above these levels right here. Okay. So we took our sell. Boom. I think we got a 1 to 2 on this one. I think I put my stop loss right there. And literally the bottom of this candle right here is perfectly a 1 to 2 almost. Yep, 1.95. So we took that and that's it. We were out. This is the 5-minute chart. Quick little trade breakdown. Show some love, like the video, subscribe. I'm gonna be trying to do these trade breakdowns whenever I have good days in the market, and just kind of just trying to give you a little bit of my thought process of what it is I'm looking for every single morning when I'm looking to place a trade. All right, that's it. Peace out. Merry Christmas. See my Christmas tree back here.